The F51 error on Maytag washers indicates a fault with the Rotor Position Sensor, or RPS. This sensor is crucial for motor control, detecting the rotor's position and speed to ensure balanced spin cycles. A malfunction here disrupts the washer's ability to spin correctly. As of January 2026, this error is still common, particularly in older, high-usage models. Several factors can trigger the F51 error in Maytag washers. One common cause is wiring issues connecting the rotor position sensor, where loose or damaged connections disrupt signals. The rotor position sensor itself may fail, causing inaccurate readings of motor position. Malfunctions in the central control board can prevent proper communication with the sensor. Obstructions such as detergent buildup can interfere with the sensor's operation. Unbalanced loads during washing can also contribute to this error by causing excessive vibration. First, try power cycling. Unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, enter diagnostic mode. For many Bravos models, this involves pressing Start, Options, Spin, Soil, Spin again. This might clear temporary glitches. Note this may not resolve hardware issues. Replacing the rotor position sensor is a viable DIY fix. The part costs between $20 and $50 and takes about 30 minutes to install. Online tutorials, like those on YouTube, can guide you through the process. However, be aware that about 20% of F51 errors stem from deeper control board issues, requiring professional intervention. If resetting the washer and replacing the rotor position sensor don't resolve the F51 error, the control board is likely the cause of the problem. The control board is the central processing unit of the washer, coordinating all functions. When it fails, it can cause persistent error codes that other fixes can't resolve. Control board replacements are more complex than sensor swaps and typically cost between $100 and $200. These repairs are more complex than simple sensor replacements and typically cost between $100 and $200. Professional diagnosis using a multimeter to check voltage at the control board is recommended before attempting this repair. A multimeter measures electrical signals to confirm if the board is receiving proper voltage and functioning correctly. Visual inspection of the printed circuit board can also reveal obvious signs of damage or component failure. Faulty control boards require an expert technician, as improper handling can cause further damage or safety issues. Preventative maintenance can significantly reduce F51 error occurrences in Maytag washers. Annual cleaning removes detergent residue that can cause sensor wear and motor control issues. Ensure balanced loads to avoid strain on the motor and rotor position sensor during spin cycles. Follow Maytag's loading guidelines in the user manual to prevent overloading and maintain proper washer operation. Newer Maytag models from 2025 onwards feature integrated IoT diagnostics through the Maytag app. These smart washers can detect and sometimes remotely reset F51 errors. They use AI to monitor sensor data and predict potential issues, reducing the need for manual repairs. Looking ahead, the future of Maytag washer repair features AI-driven diagnostics that use machine learning to self-correct errors like F51 in 40% of new models by 2026. Predictive maintenance employs vibration sensors to detect potential faults before they occur, preventing breakdowns. By 2030, augmented reality apps will provide step-by-step repair guidance, overlaying instructions on the washer for hands-free assistance. Maytag is committed to sustainability with 100% recyclable sensors in 2027 models, reducing environmental impact while maintaining performance.